sure. Here's a smooth and natural script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, based on the 2025 Oppo F24 Pro. It's about 800 words, flowing through features, exterior, and a conclusion without any quotation marks, numbers, or headings, as you asked, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are taking a close look at the brand new Oppo F24 Pro, one of the most talked about smartphones of 2025. If you are thinking about upgrading your phone or just love to keep up with the latest tech, stay tuned because we are diving into everything you need to know about this device. Starting off with the features, the Oppo F24 Pro is packed with everything you would expect from a premium mid-range phone and a little bit more. First up is the display. Oppo has equipped the F24 Pro with a large AMOLED screen that offers stunning color accuracy, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth refresh rate. Scrolling through apps, watching videos, and even gaming feels super fluid and immersive. The touch response is fast and satisfying, making every interaction a pleasure. Under the hood, the F24 Pro comes powered by a new generation processor that delivers top-tier performance for its class. Whether you are multitasking between heavy apps, editing photos, or playing high graphics games, the phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. It also comes with a good amount of RAM and internal storage, giving you enough space for all your favorite apps, photos, and videos without constantly worrying about deleting things. When it comes to the cameras, Oppo has clearly put in a lot of work. The main camera setup captures bright, detailed shots even in challenging lighting conditions. There is a powerful ultra-wide lens for those landscape shots and a dedicated macro lens for getting up close and personal with tiny subjects. Portrait mode has been improved too, offering clean edge detection and natural background blur. On the front, the selfie camera is sharper than ever and supports AI beautification features for those perfect Instagram-ready shots. Battery life is another area where the Oppo F24 Pro shines. Thanks to a larger battery and a smarter power management system, you can easily get through a full day of heavy use. And if you ever find yourself running low, the fast charging technology gets you back up and running quickly. Oppo continues to lead the way in offering some of the fastest charging solutions on the market. Speaking of software, the F24 Pro comes with the latest ColorOS version based on the newest Android system. The user interface is clean, smooth, and packed with customization options. You can personalize the phone to match your style, from icons and themes to animations and always-on display designs. It also brings a lot of smart features like an improved privacy dashboard, smoother app permissions, and a more intelligent assistant to help you with your daily tasks. Now let us talk about the exterior because the Oppo F24 Pro does not just perform well, it looks stunning too. The phone is slim and feels lightweight in the hand, making it comfortable to use for long periods. Oppo has gone with a glass back that shimmers under the light, creating a dynamic look that changes depending on the angle. The color options are fresh and trendy, designed to appeal to a younger audience without looking too flashy. The camera module blends nicely into the back without sticking out too much, keeping the design clean and modern. The edges are slightly curved, helping the phone sit snugly in your palm. The frame itself feels sturdy, giving you the confidence that the phone can handle daily use without any issues. Oppo has also made sure to include a good level of water and dust resistance, so you do not have to panic if you get caught in a bit of rain. The buttons are placed just right for easy reach, and the fingerprint sensor under the display is quick and accurate. You also get stereo speakers that produce loud and clear sound, making it great for media consumption without needing external speakers. The overall design feels premium, definitely punching above its price range. To wrap it all up, The Oppo F24 Pro is a solid package for anyone looking for a stylish and capable smartphone in 2025. It ticks almost all the right boxes with its gorgeous display, strong performance, impressive cameras, and all-day battery life. The design is modern and elegant, making it a phone you would be proud to show off. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or just someone who loves good tech, the Oppo F24 Pro deserves a serious look. That is it for today. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the latest gadgets, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, and I will see you in the next one. Would you also like me to create a second, slightly more hyped version, maybe for YouTube Shorts or a teaser? I can also suggest a good title and description if you want.